Hi guys, it's Maria here. Welcome back to my channel. This channel is about bags, lifestyle and fashion, but mostly bags. I post videos every Friday. I'm always on a hunt for the perfect bag. If you are like me, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit notification bell, and let's enjoy bags together. Today I'm going to talk about Gucci Attache bag in a small size. As always, I'm going to give in-depth review about this bag, talk about my opinion, and also show you what fits test and how this bag looks on me. I've recently purchased this bag from Net-a-Porter website. I'm not going to keep suspense up and am I going to keep this bag or return this bag? No, 100% I'm going to return this bag. It was one of the biggest bag disappointments of 2022 for me, and I'm going to talk about that in this video, the reasons why I'm going to return this bag. It's absolutely only my opinion, and this bag doesn't suit my lifestyle and my needs. It could be a completely different for yourself. Also, I'm going to mention what good about this bag, because it's actually a nice, good bag which doesn't fit my lifestyle and my needs. The first good thing about Gucci Attache bag in a small or a large size, this bag also comes in a large size, but I'm a mini bag lady. I always go for the smaller bags if there is an option there, and that's why I was trying out the smaller size. So it's first the good thing about this bag, it's a very fashionable, trendy bag. I've seen so many influencers and celebrities wearing this bag. To be honest with you, the reason why I was eyeing for an attaché bag is because of J-Lo. Jennifer Lopez, I've seen her wearing the larger size online, seen some pictures of it, and I absolutely loved the way she styled the bag, the way she wore it. And I'm like, oh my God, I want to try this bag. I love it because I don't have any Gucci bags in my collection, and I've been so unlucky with them for quite a while. All my Gucci purchases so far, unfortunately, have been unsuccessful. For one or another reason, they didn't suit me. It was either too small or too big or not good enough quality or something like that. The place where I live, unfortunately, we don't have many luxury bags boutiques, and that's why very often for me to see actually bag in real life, I need to buy that first from one of the online multi-branded platforms or shops, or from the online boutique itself. Going back to Gucci Attaché bag in a small size, as I already mentioned, it's a very fashionable, very trendy item. So many influencers and celebrities wear it. It's practically everywhere. It's getting lower in stock on many websites. It's one of the hottest bags of this season, and if you are after the trendy bag, that would be the perfect choice for you. The second good thing about Gucci Attaché bag is its unique style. It's absolutely beautiful. I haven't seen anything like that before, and what I'm talking about here, it's this G-shape hook, which can just you can keep it open or closed up to create this unique shape of the bag. Beautiful, great design. What we've got here, let's talk about that a little bit. So we've got one leather strap, and it's a fully removable and adjustable as well. So we have a little clasps here where you can just change the length of your leather strap. Beautiful. I love this idea. You know, I'm a pretty small, only 5'3", 163 centimeters tall. So for me, the adjustable option is always the best. And here it's also detachable. Oh, here we go. And yep, and another really good thing about Attaché bag, that it comes, regardless of the size, it comes with those two straps. So this whip strap or guitar strap could be totally swapped with the original leather one. You see how struggling I am here, so that's going to be one of the things that I'm going to mention in what I don't like about this bag part. But now we have the guitar strap on Attache bag, and it is also fully adjustable, so it doesn't have any adjustable holes or clasps here or buttons, so it's just fully adjustable by the length of the actual strap. I love this idea again because it's very versatile and universal and might suit many people of a different heights. The two straps option, G-hook, and the actual shape of the bag, which has been inspired by the original horsebit hobo bag. The creative director of Gucci fashion house, Alessandro Michele, he looked into Gucci archives, and he's actually really good in that, looking into the archives and copying the bag, but not just a copying, reviving it and adding some original details. In this case, we are talking about this beautiful G hook. All of that adds to originality and unique status of the bag, but also making the bag very versatile. So you can wear that in kind of like a open hobo bag style with a guitar strap, creating more casual and sporty look. Or you can swap that for the leather strap, put the hook back on like that, and it creates a more evening look, more kind of like a going out look, and you can even take that for a night out or something like that. Unfortunately, the actual hooks here and the clasp are pretty unique, so I don't think you can swap that for any of market straps or chains, to create even more evening look or something like that. But I think that's, two straps are enough here to play around. One more good thing I have to mention about Gucci Attache bag is small. It's pretty small. You can compare that to my tiny bags here, so you can see it's a pretty small bag. However, the capacity of the bag is really good. I would say we don't have much here going on. So we have the zip closure on the top, the metal, and it's a silver hardware, and the zip closure also matching that silver hardware. And inside we don't have any pockets for the smaller size or anything like that. It's just, like I usually say, one big hole, which also contributes to the larger capacity of the small size bag. I still have this label attached. I'm not going to remove that because, as I said, I'm going to return the bag. Inside we have a light textile interior, which is matching the canvas outside. Gucci Attache bag in both sizes comes in signature Gucci canvas. Also, it comes in the leather options. Now it's time to talk about what I don't like about this bag and why I'm going to return it. Despite of all those good things that I just mentioned, and despite the fact that I'm on the hunt for the beautiful Gucci bag to add to my collection, the first thing that I want to mention here is the weight. It's a small bag, but unfortunately, due to those metal hardware, it's pretty heavy. With this leather strap, the bag empty bag weighs 650 grams. With the guitar strap, it adds additional. When I remove, because you can't wear those both straps at the same time, when I remove the strap and I swapped it for this one, it weighs 750 grams empty. I believe for the small bag, for the mini bag, it's heavy. Then I added on my heavy large iPhone, all my essentials. Yes, there is not many of them because it's a small size, but with all my essentials, it comes up almost to a kilo. I wear my bag usually on the go, and I'm very active, and I want it to be as light as possible. And especially when I compare to my other options, those are very lightweight, and this one, unfortunately, no, too heavy for me. Another negative or con I wanted to add about the Gucci Attache bag, which unfortunately doesn't work for me. But again, it might work for you. You say, oh no, I don't care about those things. I actually like it this way. For me, the fact that the guitar strap is not matching the actual strap over here. I love this red green signature Gucci color combination, and I would love to have a strap in the matching color, because when you wear it, it kind of goes as a one continuous strap here. Do you know what I mean? And I would love it to be the same color. Another thing that I don't like about the strap, that the clasps are not big enough, and the hooks here, they're not big enough to attach two straps at the same time. I like to wear that in such a way when I hold the bag with a shorter strap and the longer one is just hanging down there like this. You know, I love this look, I love this idea, but unfortunately here it's not possible. Hooks are too big and the strap is, the holes are too small for that. Another thing, and you already have seen me in the beginning of the video struggling with that, in my opinion, the hooks are very original. I haven't seen those ones before on the bags, but to me they are too uncomfortable to put it on or take it off. And I think because it's quite small and uncomfortable, that will be a lot of scratches on the bag and on those hooks after pretty quick. One more thing I want to add why I'm going to return this bag. The actual zip closure is pretty stiff. You can see me, I'm struggling there, and it's an empty bag, you know, nothing is in there, but I'm already struggling to open it up and close it down. I love when it's like, you know, it's a luxury bag and you would expect that to be luxury quality, ease. So when you're trying to close it or open it up, and you can see here, this zip is pretty stiff and I'm quite struggling there to do all of those actions. In regards to the bag's opening, Gucci Attache bag in a small size reminds me of a Bottega Veneta Mini Jodi bag, when you're also struggling to open it up, and because of this half moon shape and the small size, I'm actually struggling to get my things inside. I don't think it's a problem with the larger size, because obviously this opening hole for the larger bag will be larger, but for the small size I think it's not big enough, and I'm actually struggling to put my bigger items inside the bag. They are small enough to get in there, but I am struggling, and I'm showing you that in the what fits test, and you will see what I'm talking about. And it's mainly like the larger items, like sunglasses or my large iPhone. And I think it's time now to show you what fits test, and we will see that actually capacity is pretty good for the smaller size bag, but I will show you what I was talking about when I was saying that I'm struggling to put or take out larger items in and out. I've already said that the capacity of Gucci Attache bag in a small size is pretty good, and now I'm going to show you that with a what fits test. We will start as always with a large iPhone plus size. It's 16 centimeters long, and you can see that it's like how, not struggling, but not very comfortable going in. So it's not the best way, not the best opening. Then we're going with a small card holder, flat one, sunglasses. everything goes in there, but I need to keep bag open like that. So as I mentioned, it's not the best opening. A bit too stiff, a bit too small. Keys, lip balm, lipstick, everything goes in there. As you can see, we still have a plenty of space there. So in regards to the capacity, the bag is really good. However, please remember about the weight of the bag. The more you putting in there, the heavier it's getting. Now I'm going to show you guys how this bag looks on me. To remind you, I'm 5'3", 163 centimeters tall. I usually wear size 10 UK. My favorite way is crossbody. I'm going to demonstrate how I wear that crossbody with that guitar strap. And you can wear that when the G hook is closed up, and it creates like a really nice casual look here. And if you're after a more sporty look, even more casual one, you can just unhook that G clasp and wear that in the hobo style bag. I really like how it looks that way. Also with a guitar strap, you can wear that on the right or the left shoulder. And because this strap doesn't have any adjustable holes, so the adjustment can be made by the length of the strap, you can wear that lower or shorter, just the way you like it. If we change the strap, the guitar strap, for the leather shorter strap, we can create more looks. Let me just... And here we can wear the bag on the right or the left shoulder. You can adjust and wear that or the crossbody as well, or on the crook of your arm, or even in your hands. And to conclude, guys, what I'm going to say about Gucci Attache bag in a small size. It's a beautiful, trendy, fashionable bag. So many influencers and the celebrities wear that at the moment. Very hot, one of the hottest items this season. It comes with the 2 straps, which makes bag very unique and versatile. It comes with a beautiful G hook, which creates that unique shape and design of the bag. However, this bag is not for me, and unfortunately I'm going to return that, as I mentioned quite a few times throughout this video. And the reasons for that is its weight, too heavy for the small bag, and it's 650 with that strap and 750 with the larger one when bag is empty. It's the fact that the hooks are too tight, those little clasps, and they are unique, so it's going to be pretty hard to find similar straps on the off market to add more versatility to this bag. It also the fact that the opening is not very comfortable and the zip is too stiff. When I got this bag, and my first impression was no. It's been one of my quickest decisions to return the bag. Usually when I get the bag, which I've been thinking about and which I've been liking before, I always contemplating, and I'm like, oh, should I keep it, should I return it? But with this one, as soon as I tried on, as soon as I felt like it's too heavy, the zip is too stiff, the opening is not comfortable, is not big enough, it was an immediate decision to return that. But as I mentioned, it's just my opinion, and it could be completely different for you, and you might like it straight away. And that's me for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I was enjoying making the one for you. If you did, hit thumbs up, subscribe, hit notification bell, and I will see you next time. Bye!